Welcome. If you want to record sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A41, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, and right now tap on the search and type your recorder, and you can get one of this application, and I will probably go for the Samsung voice recorder, so let's tap on the install. Let's click on the open, tap allow, and if you want to start recording sounds, click on this button. And right now, as you can see, our smartphone is recording. So if you want to finish, just click here. And right now we can save our record. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course, subscribe to our channel.